Okay, so I have the hiccups, and I haven't had the hiccups in years. And my friend here, Erin, says, drink upside down water.
John's right over your shoulder. It's like...
All right, so I have to drink this upside down, and my hiccups will go away. My hiccups. And swallow before what? Before I stand up. So I go like this, right?
I'm gonna drill into my water.
And now I gotta go.
No, you gotta go the other way.
Okay. Ready?
Woo! She's gonna laugh at. Don't put your tongue into it.
That's the weirdest sensation ever.
You're showing them your cleavage.
I'm sorry. Don't look. Just don't look.
She doesn't get it.
Oh!
What are you doing?
How do I turn on it?
I think she's got an idea. Oh shoot. Is that water? Yeah. She went like this.
Is that your butt?
Oh no.
Yeah.
I don't think she has the hiccups already. So let's just keep making her do funny things.
It works. Okay.
Okay, now it's sugar.
I'm cured!